Hello everyone, this is Tyson with the Miami Association of Realtors, providing you with a quick tip on how to create mailers using the iMapp system. For this example, we're going to focus on Broward County. We're going to look within a subdivision by the name of Emerald Hills. In order to create the mailing labels, we're going to focus on absentee owners. So the very first step is we're going to select the county as being Broward. And then from there, we're going to repurpose the field here that says owner name. I'm going to switch this to owner occupied and then select no. All right, and then from there, I'm going to take advantage of the field subdivision name, and then I'm going to simply type in Emerald Hills and then give it a click. And we're going to look for local absentee owners, meaning they are in the state of Florida. So I'm going to take the field here that says property address and then switch that to owner is Florida resident. I'm going to give that a click and select yes. And with this combination, selecting owner occupied no, owner is Florida resident yes, within the subdivision of Emerald Hills, this will find me the absentee owners in the state of Florida so that we can create the mailing labels. All right, now before we move on, when you do filter by subdivision, you want to make sure that you remove any of those commercial amenities by going here where you see property use code and then select the type of property that is in that particular subdivision. For example, I am going to select single family home as well as condominium. And then from there, I'm going to click on Start Search. This provides me with the 27 absentee owners that are in the state of Florida within Emerald Hills. And if I want to create mailing labels, I can do so by clicking here where you see mailing labels. Now, before you do decide to create mailing labels, keep in mind that some of these property owners may already be working with another agent. So you want to make sure that you quickly remove anything that is already listed in the MLS. In order to eliminate homeowners that are working with someone already, go right here where you see results not sorted, give that a click, and then move down, and then from your sort options, click on MLS status ascending. Then that will put anything that's on the market or under contract at the very top. Here we have these 4 properties where the homeowner is already working with an agent. We could see that with this little green active flag. What we want to do is remove these prior to creating the mailing labels by selecting them. And then from there, click on hide selected at the bottom. That way, we can generate the mailing labels to off-market property owners that are not working with someone at this time. All right, so under section content, we are wanting to send the piece of mail directly to the owner's address. From here, we are going to select owner address. From there, we're going to select under file format. For this example, we're going to use PDF, but we also have Word doc and CSV available. Moving over, we have the section page layout. We're going to move forward with the industry standard, Avery 5160. We're going to move over to the section customization options, and we're going to select remove duplicate results based on unique property address. And we're going to only retrieve labels with valid zip codes, and then click on create labels. This will send the PDF file directly into your downloads, which you can open and review within your computer. Hope you found this tip helpful. You can find other tips like this by going to our YouTube channel by simply going to youtube.com/miamitrainers. Thank you for watching.